We got TwistedFabCo VS410 K10 out here with the RC 757 RC crew. Oh, y'all are doing different lines. What are you doing over there? Going that way?
That's a part that I added on.
Oh.
Section here, just to give it a little bit more than just the old.
Well, if there ain't no snake out here, I'm good. There it goes. Oh, got me a twig. I want that thing in there. Here we go.
James, what do you think of that stuff? What do you think of that ball? He's at that much. I get that same look too, huh?
Hmm. Hmm.
Well, it might get enough on. All right, Johnny, what's the line on this one now? It's pretty much the same unless you just, I mean, I straddle this. I just come straight up this. I don't even try coming up that because it's more challenging just coming up this. I was even able to make it up that last night.
Whoa!
I get hung up on everything. Really? Yeah. I
Okay.
dragged, and I got portals. No shit. Yeah. Look, I'll show you. Right here. Boom.
What's it hanging on?
Just barely fucking touching the rear.
Oh, your left rear tire's in a hole. All right.
Oh, I should have never let off. It's still challenging.
Yeah, I'm hanging up where you did. There it goes. All right. Now I got the little. Yeah. Woo! There we go. Oh, he made little obstacles everywhere. Okay.
I'm just trying to spruce it up, man. I'm liking it though. I'm liking it. I think for me to make a little electric chainsaw here. I'm really putting it down. Well, you the shit that's already laying out.
There we go. Yeah. Don't know if I can do that. I don't have enough weight down low yet.
I had a lot of them the other night. I was out here. This is a pro boat. Like an actual fucking Horizon pro boat. Oh, that was close. It's like a little 380 brush motor. I'm going to put a brush system in it. Slow. You keep it cut. You had it right. And it turns nice so tight, it'll just sit there and do fucking donuts. So pull itself up. Yeah, it'll flatten out. Look at that big girl making that like butter. Stuck it the whole way. Look at that, like it was on rails.
You know, I had those silver-looking 8-hole wheels on that thing, and this was so tippy. And when I got the black wheels mounted with the same size tires, I realized these have it makes the track width like 1/8 of an inch wider. Not much, but boy, what a difference it made. And of course, those H10 axles are like 6/10 of an inch wide, wider than these. Let me get up here. Oh, oh, that thing's fun.
Yeah, I had to do some suspension tweaking, stiffen up everything, and get less body roll. Keep my articulation going. And I don't know what it was that got hotter than the leaf. I just did not like it. You got that castle system. And Josh, and it's just butter.
Ooh. Very nice. Let me see what this thing does.
I love that hood.
Ooh. Come on, bring it down. There it goes. Woo. Woo. I'm at the wrong angle for this, but I guess I could come back.
Oh my God, all the logs are gone and mixing now. What the hell? Yeah, I think what they're going to destroy it when you come out here. When you come out.
That's the trick. Have your ass in.
It doesn't matter. Man, it'll never happen. Yeah, well, your rig get there. Not mine. Yeah, he was lying.
Oh no. Woo.
You gotta stay on that tree as much as you possibly can.
Oh yeah, the big whatever you call it, log is gone.
It's not coming down on the rear there. It's getting the rear to come down on the opposite side there without kicking you off.
I think he's got it. If he can see, that's where a rear steer coming in, so you can point that ass in up the hill.
You want to go? Let's see if we can grab some logs.
Well, that. Oh, you got.
Try it without the log real quick.
You got the big log.
Fuck yeah!
Damn it! Now I've got to make it.
Now the keeper got to make it.
The gatekeeper has to make it. I go line for line, buggy versus buggy.
Keep the driver's side tire up and let that passenger rail dry.
Ooh.
There you go. There you go.
Nice save.
You want to try it like it is? Yeah, I'm going to try this one.
Bet you couldn't crawl that, Jimmy. I just crawled that.
Mm. Oh.
Put the hook right here.
Come a little that way. Little rock
Oh,
here and
rock
that
from
way. Let it
here.
drive that way. There you go. There you go.
I'll do
Keep going.
that.
Keep going. Let it drive that way.
I'll do that a stop.
The guy with flat belly on that off there gonna do no good no more.
We'll do the buggy thing. Right. Real smooth.
You're pretty wide too. Those wagon wheels. Mm.
Oh, look at that flex.
Ow.
I made it, my buddy. Fucking down, bitch.
Smack that root hard as I could.
I don't think I started high enough.
Come on, man. You make that.
Oh.
Almost what it was this because you got the cataract.
Man, I've heard a lot of bad things about the older Ford.
Oh, yeah?
Come on, settle down. Oh, bumper's hooked. Ah, look at that bumper off there. There we go. Oof. Oh, there's like a little fort or something built there. Ooh, ooh. There we go. Woo-wee. Helps when you watch where you're driving.
I'll sit down and wait for you now. Hurry up. We got this fog to break. Hey, that's it. Position? You tired? You need to take a nap for a minute?
I didn't get it on video.
Your approach is all wrong. I don't know, maybe not.
No, he looks like he
You
might
got it
get
on
it.
that one. You got
Yep.
it.
Gatekeeper shit. Bitch! Does that cost extra?
Oh, down in the snake pit.
Back up. Oh, there you go.
Oh.
There you go.
Pulled it right out of
Is that
there.
the right power servo to use?
Yep. It's about fucking time.
All right. Ah.
Pull your big putt up there, girl. Too bad you don't have front dig. You know? My approach is off. There we go.
Watch yourself.
Oh,
Very good. You ain't gonna knock my big ass over.
I don't know. If you're not expecting me to hit you, you probably could.
There you go.
All right, if his gatekeeper Ecto can do it, my gatekeeper can do it.
You got that line, and then you got another section of it. Trying to get, getting up that far.
Yep.
That log. That shit was.
Which one?
It's vertical, that log. You can't turn to go left.
Opera shit, huh?
Let somebody get it. I gotta get a video of him.
Where do you go from here? Up and over? Or you try to turn back around and go over that?
No, go straight. I go this way. Up that way.
That was
When you go
nice.
up that way, it starts picturing that hole.
Holy shit. It worked!
He almost had the assist, the freaking 100% assist.
Team effort, man.
Right? Fight.
That back tire. God dang, that's a hell of a wrinkle. Oh,
You're doing leaf spring shit.
I can't see where.
That's impressive for a leaf.
hard.
That's really impressive for a leafer.
Yeah.
Nope. Oh, there it goes. Yeah.
I spoke to you.
Am I hung on? I think the bumper's hung on a twig.
Oh, yeah, you are.
Just pull that twig down.
Yeah.
Good. Oh, it's wrapped on it.
There.
we look like we're at a four-wheel drive fucking monster truck shit.
Yeah.
While everybody's parked up fucking. No big deal.
Sitting at the big ditch waiting
All
for the
eyes
go
on
ahead.
you.
Right?
So the goal to get over the log or get back up on that bank?
Get back up on the back, but I can't. My body. I got off angle.
Ooh, that sun sucks.
It's warm, ain't it?
What you guys are doing?
Oh, what a save. Watch out, Dakota.
I'm not gonna break it first day out.
It'll kick you back around that way. Keep going. Oh,
Oh,
grab him on the wall.
yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
It's all right. Did better than I expected it to. You guys are just wrestling buggies.
You're right. They're doing their buggy thing.
You made up at one though. King of the hammer shit crawling over your ass. We're good.
That's how you feel.